AI agents, how they work with examples. An AI agent is a system that perceives its environment, processes information, and takes actions to achieve specific goals. AI agents can range from simple rule-based programs to complex machine learning systems. How AI agents work. AI agents operate in a cycle of perception, right-pointing arrow processing, right-pointing arrow action using these key components. Perception, sensors, input. The agent collects data from its environment through sensors, e.g., cameras, microphones, or software data inputs. Processing, decision-making. It analyzes the input using algorithms, rules, or models to determine the best action. Action, actuators, output. The agent performs an action, such as responding to a query, moving a robot, or making recommendations. Learning and adaptation. Many AI agents improve over time using machine learning, milliliter techniques. Types of AI agents. Simple reflex agents. These agents work based on predefined rules, if-then conditions. They do not store past information or learn over time. Example: a thermostat that turns on heating if the temperature falls below a set value. A spam filter that blocks emails based on keyword detection. Model-based agents. These agents have an internal model of the world to handle different situations. Example: a self-driving car predicting traffic conditions to avoid obstacles. Goal-based agents. They take actions to achieve a predefined goal rather than just responding to conditions. Example: chess AI, like AlphaZero, plans moves based on a goal, winning the game. Utility-based agents. These agents maximize an objective function, finding the best possible outcome. Example: Google Maps suggests routes based on shortest time, traffic, and fuel efficiency. Learning agents. These agents learn from past experiences and improve performance using AI models. Example: chatbots like ChatGPT learn from user input and generate better responses over time. Real-world examples of AI agents. Virtual assistants, conversational AI. Example: Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. How it works: uses NLP, natural language processing, to understand voice commands and respond accordingly. Self-driving cars, autonomous AI. Example: Tesla's autopilot. How it works: uses cameras, radar, and AI models to recognize roads, pedestrians, and traffic signals. Recommender systems, AI in e-commerce and streaming. Example: Netflix, YouTube, Amazon. How it works: analyzes user behavior and suggests movies, videos, or products. Healthcare AI agents. Example: IBM Watson Health, Google DeepMind. How it works: AI analyzes medical records and suggests diagnoses or treatments. 4. Future of AI agents: autonomous robots for industries and homes. Advanced AI doctors providing medical consultations. AI-powered teachers for personalized learning. AI in cybersecurity for detecting and preventing cyber threats.